Hello, my lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. So, children, today in your book 6 on page number 113, we will do one activity. So, let's read Pasting Air and Water Pollution. Paste two pictures showing air and water pollution. Here you need to paste two pictures which show air and water pollution. So, here you will mention your name and here date 02/02/2021. So you know what is air pollution and water pollution. Air pollution is that which pollutes our air, and water pollution is something that which pollutes or which contaminates our water, which is not for drinking. So I am now going to show you some pictures. Please see. See children, these are the pictures. You can take the printout or from internet, or you can take the Xerox from your own book. This is, you can see the sewage water gets collected into river. So what is this? This is showing water pollution. And here you can see the smoke is emitting from factories. So what is this? This is showing air pollution. Smoke pollutes our air. Here you can see they are washing the animals. They are cleaning their animals in water bodies. So what they are doing? They are contributing to water pollution. See now this is smoke is emitting from vehicles. You know, everyone know that smoke emits from vehicles. So what is happening here? Here air pollution is going on. So now let's paste the pictures with the help of glue. See children, I have applied glue on the pictures at the back side. Now I will paste it one by one. First I am showing air pollution pictures. You can see here in this picture the smoke is emitting from factories and from vehicles. Now press it gently. Paste it like this. Now I am going to show you water pollution pictures. So these are the pictures which you can paste. You can take printout from net or take Xerox. So here this activity is completed. Now we will do one more activity in our book 7. So please take out your book 7 children. See children, this is page number 103 of book 7. So this also we have to do today. So here you will mention your name, mention the date. Okay, so let's read what we have to do. Grain pasting, national flag. Apply glue on the flag and paste the grains to make it colorful. Make it colorful. So you know this is our national flag, and everyone knows this, that our national flag is how many colors? 3 colors. Saffron at the top, white in between, and green at the bottom. And this wheel is of blue color with 24 spokes. So now with the help of grains you know that something we eat like this. Now I am going to show you. These are the grains which we eat at our home. So with the help of these grains we need to apply glue and paste these grains in our national flag. So let's start. First we will apply glue. So see children, I have applied glue. Now I will take first this masoor dal, orange dal. Okay, this because our top is of saffron color, so that's why I am taking this dal, so that it resembles similar to national flag color. You will sprinkle this grain like this, just like I am doing. It will get stick out after some time. Apply glue properly at each place so that it gets stick properly. And if you don't have grains of this color, you can use any other color also. Okay, so in this way you are going to paste this masoor dal at the top of the national flag. Alright, now our this part is done. Now we will take this rice and stick it in between, because this is of white color. So sprinkle it properly. You need to apply glue properly so that it gets stick out properly. Like this. See, now this white part is done. Now we will do the last part, the green one, with this moong dal. I have applied glue and now I am sprinkling this dal. These color grains, if you can use, it is very better. Otherwise, if you don't have, then you can use any other different color to make it as beautiful. After getting it dry, you can click picture properly and then you can send on Google Classroom. See, this is done. Now you can remove the unnecessary things. So this is all about the activity, how we have to do. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you, children.